US crude has given a massive spike till towards 76 level, and on the downside 74 levels here proven out to be a very good support. If you recall my today morning Asia session analysis, precisely it has achieved the levels on the upside, and on the downside the support is still standing strong. And if you recall there, we have seen and we have discussed that there is a gap left with the market opening today. It could try to continue with a slight filling the gap, and then possibly we could expect a retracement. Precisely that has happened so far. At the same time, net gas 2 has traded with a modest bullish bias, however still failed to break past 2.58 2.60. Now what to expect in US crude and net gas today? With the US session we will see with the help of charts and indicators, as I do not fail to deliver the results day in day out, twice a day for crude oil and net gas specifically. Request you also to support and motivate. Just press the like button and do share, subscribe and comment. That will be a great help and motivation. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates on crude and net gas. The Telegram channel link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now, look at the hourly charts for US crude. You will observe it is created the channel in which it is trying to trade. This is the bearish channel in which it is trying to trade. Support is at 74 and the resistance is at 76. It wanted to retrace till here. It is retraced till there. The gap is also filled and the levels is also achieved. Now it is still got the bearishness. However, first green candle here, second green candle it making, it could try to rise till towards 74.8, 75.2 levels again. Stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is also trading extremely bearish, and that is why we can see a little pullback. RSI is also trading oversold, and that is why a little pullback cannot be denied. On the 2-hour charts also similar is the observation. See this candle, there is a massive pullback but a greener body. So this candle could try to continue with the bullish momentum. I'll observe how it behaves at around 74.6, 75 zone, which is going to give it a maximum resistance. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the up. Now see on the 2-hour charts, moving averages have started to converge. This also makes 75, 75.2 as a greater resistance. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD is extremely bearish here. It may try to converge, which means a greener candles. RSI is at bottom trying to rise. If you look at 3-hour charts, similar observation on the 3-hour charts. Stochastic is oversold here also. The MACD is also trading with extreme bearish bias. We can see it converging probably. RSI is also trading at bottom. Coming to the 4. Now on the 4-hour chart, see series of red candles. This candle may try to stay with a slight bullish bias. Possibly 74.8, 75 zone can get achieved. And at those levels we'll see how it behaves, and then ultimately 76 is a greater resistance. You can see why 76 is a greater resistance here, and only bullish confirmation is if it trades above 76. And yes, 74 indeed is a very good support, and you know the reason why 74 is a greater resistance. We have seen that in the past also. We will come back to this on the daily charts, why 74 is a great resistance. Stochastic is oversold here. MACD is extremely bearish, and hence we may see it converging, which means a probable retracement on the upside. RSI flat here can continue with an upward move. Coming to the daily chart. Now see on the daily chart, the moving averages have crossed over here. This is the 20 and 50 period crossover. This is a bullish sign here, and also we can see higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. It may try to limit its movement between this channel, and yes, remember any drop below 74 will again further increase the bearishness, and the oil has got a very good support at 74 levels. You can see this earlier. This zone was a greater resistance. Now this is going to be a support here, and then ultimately we may see 73, 72 levels. Even if it drops till towards 72, this is still possibly be called a retracement, not a reversal. Only below 72 the bearishness will increase, and we may see a further drop. Stochastic is dropping here. MACD willing to converge. RSI has dropped here. So considering this, I will recommend you to oil now at 74 levels, and then 73.6, 73.2 is a greater support. Below that we may see it hitting 72.4, 72 levels. On the upside you can buy here at 75, but then also 75.2, 75.5, two major resistances, and then ultimately 76 levels. Only and only if you see it trading above 76, we should treat this as bullish. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And before we proceed to the net gas analysis, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 24th batch going to start on first week of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at net gas on the hourly chart. See, this is still, we have drawn this channel in the Asia session update also. This is a bearish channel, drop, retracement, it is retraced till here. Now again looking downwards, and hence once you see it trading below 2.53, you can again go short, expect rather you can sell here at 2.54 itself, but then 2.5 to 2.5 is a greater support, and the ultimate support lies at around 2.45 and 2.5 level, 4 levels. Stochastic was at top trying to look downwards. MACD is still bullish, it can converge here. RSI looking downwards, indicating slight bearishness. Coming to the 2-hour charts, similar observation here on the 2-hour charts as well. Higher highs, higher lows. Once it breaks below this zone at 2.54, you can sell, but then on the downside the support is very good at around 2.5. Stochastic near to top, MACD divergent and bullish, it is crossed over at bottom, it is continuing with the bullish momentum. RSI trying to look downwards, trading with slight bearish bias. Coming to the 3-hour chart, similar observation. It is, see, the prices were divergent from the 20 period moving average. It is converged till towards these levels. Now looking downwards, and hence a buy entry I will recommend is above 2.58 and a sell entry is 2.54. Till 2.5 one has to remain extremely cautious here. Stochastic at top trying to drop. MACD divergent bullish looking upwards. RSI is flat, and on the 4-hour 20 period exponential moving average giving it a resistance, support there on the downside as well. We will definitely be cautious and watchful at around 2.54 2.58 zone. Stochastic retracing here looking upwards. MACD is crossing over for a buy entry. It is trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is trading almost flat here. Coming to the daily charts. Now look at daily charts. The resistance from the 50 period moving average is high. Also it has given a flat bottom, and if you look at the weekend candle or the market opening candle, you can also find out the support seen here at 2.53, very strong here. So 2.54 you can sell, expect 2.5 to 2.5 levels on the downside, and below that you can expect a very sharp red candle there, which might take it till towards 2.45 2.4 levels. Stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy natural gas today at 2.58 levels and a sell entry at 2.54 levels. On the downside, be careful till 2.5, then 2.45 and then 2.4. Three major support levels. It could completely reverse achieving 2.4. This is also very much possible. Hence, take your trades accordingly. On the upside, if you are buying at 2.58, you can expect 2.6 is a greater resistance, and then we can expect 2.7, 2.65 zone, which is a greater resistance on the upside as well. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.